Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a gel serum for the face. This is fast absorbing and helps to give the skin a nice healthy glow. So let's go ahead and get started. So to begin with, I will be adding my first ingredient, and this is caprylic capric triglyceride. This is a great antioxidant, and it helps to give the skin a nice smooth appearance. The next ingredient, cocoa caprylic, it's a lightweight oil, but it helps to restore hydration to the skin. Now I'm going to be adding one of my favorite ingredients. It is called jojoba esters. It is a great emollient and it helps to retain moisture in the skin. Another oil that I'll be using that is a light emollient is olive squalene, and it helps to really soothe and moisturize dry skin. This next ingredient is key when it comes to making this serum gel-like. It helps to thicken it up and give it a nice consistency, and it is called cerebellina. Now that the cerebellina has been added, I will be covering my beaker, and I want to gently heat these ingredients until everything is completely melted. Now that everything has completely melted down, I did allow this to cool down before I added this next ingredient, which is going to be vitamin E. Vitamin E is great for those of us that have dry skin because it helps to lock in that moisture. It also creates healthy looking skin as well. To promote cell regeneration of the skin, along with reducing any inflammation, I will be adding some frankincense essential oil. So as you can see here, I am gently stirring everything together. I want to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated, and this usually takes just a few minutes. To package this serum today, I will be using this 2-ounce dropper bottle. It is important to let you know that as this serum continues to cool down, it will become thicker in consistency. Here is the finished product. Now, before I apply this serum to my face, I will be setting this aside for about an hour, and this just helps to ensure that it becomes that gel-like texture that I'm looking for. Once again, here is the formula along with any substitutions that I use to create this gel serum for the face. I find that cerebellina works best, but if you do not have it or do not have access to it, you can definitely use beeswax. Just keep in mind that it will be a little different consistency in the finished product. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.